Tonight, coronavirus driving Europe into crisis with checks at national borders. Its unity tested in ways not seen since the last century. Most travel into the continent now banned, while the French are fined if they go out without good reason. A senior World Health Organization official telling NBC News today America will soon see European-scale infections.
What we're seeing in Europe, in your view, is the future for America?
There will be parts of the US where I expect to see similarity to what's happening in Europe.
Italy in the eye of the storm, with too few hospital beds and more than 2,000 dead. NBC's Matt Bradley is in Rome.
Italy is still racing to catch up with its outbreak. This hospital building behind me, now just for coronavirus patients.
The British, rocked by a startling UK report warning of a catastrophic epidemic. The same research suggesting without any action, 2.2 million Americans could die. The UK's Prime Minister declaring a war with an invisible enemy.
We must act like any wartime government.
This is the world-famous Trafalgar Square, and look how the world has changed. It feels like a Sunday here. The hard times bringing out the best in many. A cake at the door of an isolated Spanish woman turning 80 while her neighbours sing happy birthday. Keir Simmons, NBC News, London.
Hey NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.